How to redeem Amazon.ca MBNA Cashback. If you have the Amazon CA MBNA Rewards MasterCard, redeeming your cashback is automatic and simple. So every time you use your card, you can earn points on purchase. And once you earn 2,000 points, they're automatically converted into a $20 Amazon CA gift card. For that, you can go to mbnacanada.com, and here you can check your account. The gift card's credit is usually automatically towards your next purchase. You can also check your point balance by logging into MBNA account and going over to manage rewards. So if you head over here, you'll have an option to manage rewards once you log in. In order to log in, tap on the top right corner and then tap on to log into MBNA online banking. Enter your login details and simply log into your account. There's no need for codes or manual redemption. Everything happens behind the scenes once you hit 2,000 points threshold. And that's how easy it is to redeem your Amazon CA MBNA cashback. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and if so, hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.